Are you experiencing the frustrating firmware update failed error with your Samsung Galaxy Buds? You're not alone. This video breaks down the common causes and provides practical solutions to get your earbuds updated and working smoothly. Firmware updates are crucial for improving features like active noise cancellation, battery life, and overall performance. We'll cover everything from basic troubleshooting to advanced fixes. Let's explore the common reasons behind update failures. These include connectivity issues, device state problems, software conflicts, and hardware limitations. First, connectivity issues occur when there's weak Bluetooth signals or unstable Wi-Fi during the update process. Second, device state problems happen when battery levels are low below 30% on your buds or phone, or when the earbuds are unpaired. Third, software conflicts arise from outdated SmartThings or Galaxy wearable apps, or from interactions with other applications like Spotify or Google Assistant. Fourth, hardware limitations occur when older Buds models cannot support the latest firmware updates. Identifying the cause is the first step to finding a solution. Remember to keep your apps updated, as Samsung's SmartThings app version 1.8.2 as of January 2026 integrates automated diagnostics. First, ensure your buds and phone are fully charged, with battery levels above 30%. Low power can prevent successful updates. Second, maintain a stable Bluetooth connection by staying close to your phone during the update process. Third, close unnecessary apps running in the background to prevent software conflicts that could interrupt the update. Fourth, restart your phone and earbuds. Place the buds in their case and press the reset button for 7 seconds to resolve temporary glitches. When basic troubleshooting fails, these advanced solutions can resolve persistent firmware update issues with your Galaxy Buds. First, reset your Galaxy Buds through the Galaxy Wearable app. Navigate to Earbud Settings, then General, and select Reset. Important: always back up your settings before resetting to avoid losing personalized configurations like EQ settings or touch controls. Second, reinstall the Galaxy Wearable app to ensure you have the latest version and eliminate any corrupted files. Third, for supported models, try a manual firmware update using a USB-C connection to your computer. These advanced steps should resolve most firmware update failures. Remember to back up your settings before any reset. Connectivity problems are a major culprit behind firmware update failures in Samsung Galaxy Buds. Let's address the key connectivity issues with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is functioning correctly and that your Galaxy Buds are properly paired with your device. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection to ensure you have a stable internet connection during the update process. If you're still having issues, try unpairing and then repairing your Galaxy Buds with your phone. If problems persist, try updating your buds in a different location with a stronger Wi-Fi signal. Keep in mind that in regions like the Asia-Pacific, variable network speeds can often cause these update failures. Software conflicts can interfere with the update process. Apps that interact with your buds, such as music streaming services or voice assistants, may cause issues. Close any apps that might be interacting with your buds. Simply swipe them away or force close them through your device's settings. Ensure your SmartThings and Galaxy wearable apps are up to date. Check for updates in your App Store and install any available versions. If you suspect a specific app is causing the issue, try temporarily uninstalling it before updating your buds. You can reinstall it later if needed. Samsung's SmartThings app now uses AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent failures, improving update success rates by 25% in 2025. In 2025, during the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro update rollout, 15% of users experienced firmware update failures due to a bug in the active noise cancellation firmware. This affected thousands of users who saw update errors when trying to install the new features. Another notable case involved Galaxy Buds Live users on Android 11 devices who encountered an update loop where the firmware update would repeatedly fail and retry endlessly. This frustrating issue prevented users from accessing new features and improvements. As a workaround, users discovered that pairing the Buds Live with a different phone temporarily bypassed the update loop, allowing the process to complete successfully. This highlights how community-driven solutions can provide immediate relief while official fixes are developed. These real-world examples underscore Samsung's commitment to resolving firmware issues quickly through hotfixes and patches. They also highlight the importance of user communities in sharing effective solutions, showing how collaborative troubleshooting can help users overcome update challenges. Looking ahead, Samsung is working on seamless background updates to reduce manual intervention. Experts predict a 50% drop in reported issues by 2028 due to faster OTA updates via 5G and edge computing. For now, experts recommend regular app updates and educating users on device resets. According to a 2025 Statista survey, 60% of update failures are fixable by basic troubleshooting. Keep your devices updated, stay connected, and enjoy your Samsung Galaxy Buds.